animation of explosion of fire and smoke, we have to make sure that we are in a blender window. Add an object by going to mesh, then select a UV sphere, then go to object quick effect, and in that we have to select quick explode. We cannot see any changes in our screen, but once we press play button, our object will explode. Keep it in the halfway of explosion. In the left, we can see the properties of explosion. In the properties, select screencast key and press stop display. We have to fix the number of pieces, frames, and start time of explosion. We can set the starting time as 10 and change the input velocity to 9. We can set the end animation to 100. These are the effects of basic explosion. Now we have to add a lamp and in that add a sun over the above and rotate the lamp and fix it. Now change the background color in order to make the animation more realistic and volumetric. Add effect to it. Now select the object and add quick effect, and in that we have to select quick smoke effect. Now we can see the smoke generated. Select the domain and go to physics option and then select the object in the middle. Now select the flow type and make sure to select fire and smoke. Now select the domain, go to material and set stop size as 0.065. Go to particles, select and set subframes to 2. Select the smoke adaptive domain in the physics tab. Go to render and select animation and wait. Go to video editing and include the frames and start the video. This is the required fire and smoke generation effect.